Okay, okay. All right. So, morning. And if my sound kind of, you know, monotone or whatever that word is, um, I'm just trying to, get get everything in order. So basically, we start here, right? I'm just using a student as an example, right? Because I have virtually no idea what it would look like if I was trying to use mine, because I have to do it from a student perspective. So right, so there we go. Okay, so it says classroom helps dot. Okay, all right, so we just click continue. I must. Oh, look at that. No, okay. Yo, Google love them kind of things there, right? I'm a student. Fine, fine. Let's go. Let's go. We're role playing today. We're role playing. All right, look at that. So now, I mean, that's kind of strange. You should have other teachers, right? So you'll see like other, I don't know, I for the oh, okay. Let me tell you what happened at this point. I believe what has happened is that in order for you to be seeing this, I would have had to send you an invite. No, it seemed that a lot of the other teachers probably haven't sent the invite as yet. So maybe that's what's happening. So now you have 11, 1, and 4, City and Guilds. You see my face. So, all you have to do, click join. Alright, just click join. That kind of take a while still. There you go. Create posts. Yeah. Right, what else do I do? I mean, posted new assignment, the diagnostic test. Yeah, that's for those who yeah, I didn't even put that under a category. I really should. No work due soon. No. No, in all seriousness, like yo, I can't. I really can't do this. I really can't. I was trying to, be professional and keep a straight face, but this, come on, no. Just read this. No work due soon. That's so. Google and anyway. Yeah. All right. Firm up now. Firm up. Let's see what. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. Hold on. Oh, right. Okay. So this is what happened, right? I think I made a mistake, right? Because what happened was I called this the grade 11 one, right? But let's just click on it and see what happened. Yeah, it turned out to be the grade 10 one, right? Okay. Add or create files for your classwork. You can actually do that. Alright, you can. Okay, I know about the comments part, but add or create. Hold on. Add or create. Oh, I get it. So basically, let's say for instance, you wanted to send something to me as like a document or whatever. You probably could do that, and you just probably click one of these depending on what it was that you're doing, or you can use this to upload a file from your computer or your phone or tablet or whatever it is. And then of course link. I guess that's if you're creative, if you want to make a video, record it and send that, like I always make videos like this one, so you can do that too. But yeah, this was a mistake, so that's why if you let's say let me see how to navigate and go back. All right, let's click on that, right, and go back to classwork. Oh, right. All right, so can I collapse this? No, I don't want to. Anyway, whatever. All right, so The reason why this says the right one is because, yeah, I sent the wrong test. My mistake. If you notice, anytime you see me sending you any kind of work, more than likely it's because, I'm going to use the emojis, right? Because this is me referencing up here where I sent you the grade 10 diagnostic test. So I really should go into my my Google Classroom and delete that. I really should. All right, so view assignment. Yeah, okay, I got it. Yes. Oh yeah, over here you can say, sir, the work too hard or something like that. Like you can say, and then you can put a little emoji beside it. Your brain busts up. Sir, the work are too hard still. Or and then I don't know what could we say for easy. Maybe something like this. Like a bullseye or something like that. I don't know. Anyway, and then this, if you don't want anybody else to see it, so you can do that. But anyway, I think most of you might have seen this before, right? Yeah. So if in alright, hold on. I don't think it finished load as yet. Yeah, okay. So if you notice the little red asterisk beside each of these, it means that you would see this is a required question. So it's not going to let you pass without writing an email. You just put in, your ministry email in here, right? Write your name, right, and your grade, right? I mean, so you notice once you see it do that, it mean it not. You can go down here and click submit, right? Because it's gonna tell you that you don't complete certain things, right? So yeah, so that's pretty much how that work. You can go in here and select one of the answers. So let's see, 4 decimal place. So I don't know, pick one of them here, right? Look on the answer them. I'm just going to do this randomly. I don't even know if what I'm doing is right. It might be wrong. It might be rubbish. I don't know. I'm literally randomly picking. Like, when now go, You notice that the red is gone. It means that you completed everything in this section, right? Same thing here, right? Alright, we're just being random, right? Right, so no more red, it means you're done with that section, right? And again, right, so we're done with everything now, right? Well, at least question wise we finish. We're done with this, we're done with this, we're done with that, right? So the only thing we have left to do is to just do that, right? And then say 11, I don't know, 4, whatever, and that's it, right? You don't see no more red, it means you can click submit, and then that's you, right? I don't think there's anything else to show where that is concerned, really. I don't think so. I really don't. So yeah, so let's just go back out here for a second. So again, when you're supposed to see, so you're seeing mine obviously because I guess the other teachers have not invited you as yet. Maybe, I guess that's what yesterday was probably about, because maybe they never knew how to do the invites, how to get the students in and so on. So again, let me just go back in here, people. All right, oh yeah, classmates and all of that. Okay, I kind of see how that makes sense. So 2 students would be yourself who is viewing it and the other person here. So obviously this will show you how many people have set up their classroom in terms of actually activating it, right? So obviously there's only one person besides yourself, right? And then of course teacher, da 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 da. So there's not much to do here. It's just to see who and who in class and whatever, right? So this is the real important part, right? Okay, yes, I got it. Leave me alone, please. All topics. Okay, so basically so this is one topic, right? The topic called diagnostic test, blah blah blah, right? So if I create other topics, you'll see them fall under here, and you just click them based on what it is that they ask you to do. So far, all I've really put in was the diagnostic test. I don't remember putting in anything else. Is there? No, I probably need to do that later then. Yeah, so I guess that's it. Because I'm really not seeing anything else, really and truly. That's weird though. Because I'm wondering, why wouldn't you see because normally they have like the class code and the Google Meets link. I don't know. I don't know if it's that they don't put it here. Right, I really don't know, but I guess I can show you from my perspective what I would be seeing. So I can do that. And it's not really hard to do. I can actually just switch tab. Like, see? So just like how you have, see it. So now, because I did that with, now you can see why. So from my perspective, this is what I'm seeing. So it's showing me that, okay, 2 students activated their thing, right? And as for the classwork, no. Yeah. So that means that I didn't put the other. Let me see something. Right. I didn't put the other material in there, so I need to go do that. Right. Oh, so what I wanted to show you was a slight difference, right? Notice I have the class code and meet link, but I guess I don't know if it's that, I guess students are not allowed to see until I share it to you. I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know. So if that is all, then that's all. Because unless I start posting more work and categorizing it, just so that you can know the difference between, let's say, a piece of classwork, a quiz, a diagnostic test, or a first 6-week test and things like that. So I would have to categorize it so that you can actually see it, so that every time you click on it, you will know. So that is it. That is it, really and truly. I don't suspect there's anything else, really and truly, because you notice there are only 3 tabs, right? This will tell you how many people in the class besides you, right? These were the 2 things that I posted, right? So if you notice, it's going to be consistent. So if I go over here, right, you'll see that that's all I posted over here, right? You look over here, you see the same thing. So anything I post, you're going to see, right? Now I can put due dates, right? So that so let me do that and see if that actually makes any any sense. Can I actually edit it and do that? Yeah, I suppose I can do that. I don't know. Right, yeah, I can just actually give it a due date. Yeah, let's say Friday time. Yeah, them time there. Yeah, 11:59. And save. I don't know. It's taking a little while. Let's hope that the computer don't freeze. Right. There we go. All right. So let's see what happened over here now. Let me refresh and see what it showed me. Okay. So there we go. Due tomorrow, 11:59. So I just did that just to show that this is how you know when it is due, etc., whatever. Right? Let's go here. Let's go to stream and see what it say. See, due tomorrow, upcoming, blah blah blah. Right. Yeah. So that's it. That is it. I really don't suspect that there's anything else, right? This just tell you the room. I just created a number based on the name up here, right? 11, 1 and 4, 114, right? Yeah, that's it. So again, thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. And that's about it. That is about it. So hopefully we know how to operate and handle this thing now.